Alright guys, I was finally able to lock down one of these 2015, 2011, whatever kind of year center consoles with the double storage, upper and lower, to put in the OBS. Hopefully we can get it to fit here, so we'll get this bad boy cleaned up and see how we're looking. I'm probably not going to bolt it down because I'm not really going to have anybody sitting there or anything. It's just going to be for the storage and the armrest and all that if it looks right. So let's get to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so you see in this video here where there's a whole bunch of red, below the seat and the seat belts. So I bought some dye to try to take care of the seat belt red color, and then also I need to paint the base of the seats. And I'm debating on dyeing the seats or not. That's kind of up in the air, because if I want to try to sell them later, let's say maybe I find some better low profile bucket seats that are already black leather, then it'd be really hard to sell them if they've been dyed versus that stock red, where a lot of people are still looking for that because they like that red interior. So I'm up on the fence on that, if I really want to dye the edges of the seats or not. I might just keep these seats for the duration and just get them reupholstered later down the road. It's hard to say right now. Anyway, we're just going to try to take care of the red later on. Right, you won't see it in this video yet, but it's coming. Guys, so this is kind of what she looks like. I'm probably going to have to take like the seatbelt piece off on the other side so that it can move back a little bit, but it basically Doesn't sit too bad on the hump here, as you can see. And if you raise this up, that's kind of what she looks like. Which I can go back quite a bit. I just couldn't get it back far enough. But yeah, you see the seatbelt piece there for the center. If I take that out, see how it's just a little bit cocked because of that thing. That way it'll kind of set more even. And I guess also you could trim down the bottom a little bit if you wanted to get it to set like you wanted it, but seems to fit pretty good. I just need to dye the sides and that bottom there to black, so it all at least looks black here. And then of course, you know, these green pieces that I had, I'm going to carbon fiber wrap those. I just haven't got to it yet, but we're getting there. So I finally locked one of these down for 50 bucks. I think it starts at like 2011. It then goes up numerous years, but most people want like 300 bucks for them, so they're hard to come by. But that's kind of the look I was going for. And if you had to have somebody set in the middle, you could still have them set in the middle. So yep, so that's about it for this video here. I'll put some still shots there towards the end here, and then of course I'll definitely seen my forever sharp steering wheel video if you haven't looked back a few videos. So yeah, we're almost got this interior the way we want it. After we vinyl wrap the door panels, carbon fiber, and I might vinyl wrap the dash, still undecided yet. So that's about do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.